Why go to the store and buy this expensive autumn arrangement when you could save your money instead and get creative? I'm going to show you how I made this beautiful floral arrangement with things I already have. So let's get started. Here I have a bag of old flowers and pine cones that I've saved in the previous years. These flowers are mainly from some old autumn wreaths that I've had hanging on my front doors, and they do look a little beat up, but I just think it's such a shame to throw the flowers away because when I bought these at the time, these wreaths were kind of expensive, and I also think they still look pretty enough to use for an arrangement. I'm just gonna move these out of the way. The only thing that I did buy was this green foam at the Dollar Tree. You can use anything that you have at home to make your floral arrangement. I'll be using this wooden crate that I've had for several years already. I usually always take it out every year. I'll put it on my table and just fill it with Halloween candy. I can't quite remember where I bought this. If you're gonna go out and buy, you can check out the Dollar Tree. I've seen that they have some really nice tins. They have wooden crates that you can paint. There's just so many possibilities with this. I'm going to start by choosing the flowers that have the longer stems, and I'm going to put these in the middle. A lot of the flowers that I have don't have the floral wire, so I'm just placing them inside wherever they'll stay put. If you want to use hot glue, you can definitely do that, but I'm not going to do that for this arrangement because more than likely I'll be using these flowers again next year for something else. I didn't put hot glue on my wooden crate either because again, I always use this every year. I guess at the very least I should have taped the foam on the crate, but it's okay. I mean, this won't be perfect. I really love the way this is coming out. I've never done a flower arrangement like this with these flowers, and I've had them for a long time already, and this crate too. I want to say I probably bought this wooden crate either at Michael's or at Hobby Lobby. I don't really remember, but I've had it for a long time already. I really love home decor, and autumn is my favorite season of the year, and just going to the stores to look at the seasonal decor is just so exciting for me. I don't really know why. I'll buy small decor here and there, but when it comes to flower arrangements, I just think they are way too overpriced and they look really basic to make. These flowers that I kept are from a couple of autumn wreaths that I had hanging on my front door. I live in South Texas and the weather here is very hot year round. And well, for the most part, I usually always take out my autumn decor on the days when autumn officially begins, and that's sometime in late September. And then the day after Thanksgiving, I'll start putting away all of my autumn decor and I start getting ready for all the Christmas decor. That's so exciting for me. Okay, so I'm finishing up my autumn floral arrangement. I'm just adding the rest of the flowers that I have to the back. I want to be sure the whole arrangement looks nice since I'm going to put this on my table. So far, I'm really loving the way this is coming out, and I'm just already excited and ready for Thanksgiving. Yesterday was Halloween, and we took the kids trick-or-treating, and they got so much candy. They were just so excited. This morning, I took down my Halloween wreaths on my doors, and I've already put up my autumn ribbon wreaths. If you haven't seen my autumn ribbon wreath tutorial and you're looking for decor to make, you should click on the link on the description below. I'm just fluffing it up, but there you have it. Isn't that just so pretty? And I didn't even have to buy much except for the green foam. Look at my beautiful autumn floral arrangement. Doesn't that look so nice on my table? I'm officially ready for this Thanksgiving. I hope this video inspired you to make your own floral arrangement with the things you probably already have rather than going out and buying those really expensive ones. I want to thank you all for watching and I hope you all enjoyed this short video. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe for new content and hit that like button.